Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto E22i, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on gestures and tap on system navigation. Right here we've got the 3-button navigation option applied, so all we have to do is to tap on gesture navigation, and immediately instead the 3 buttons we've got this line. We can customize the gestures. Simply tap on this settings icon. You can decide whether you want to swipe to invoke assistant, and you can change the back sensitivity, but to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will understand how to use them and whether you really need the back sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you will see this arrow and release the finger. The same situation from the right side, so it works the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply elongate the last gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and after releasing you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.